Hello friends, so let's discuss our the next act, that is MTP Act, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. Okay, तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर एक्ट है, why it came and what is their objective and ultimately the goal, or you can say the specificity, or the person who can terminate this kind of MTP. Okay, that all we will discuss here. The MTP Act is ultimately, you can say, launched or formed in 1971. That is a full form of this particular MTP Act is nothing but medical termination of pregnancy. Okay, so you are saying nowadays there are number of abortion cases are there. Okay, so government has a focus that if a female, or you can say if mother is in a risk in condition, or child will be retarded after delivery, then that kind of delivery, or the mother who are is at a risk or higher risk, okay, in their pregnancy condition, that then child can abort. Okay, or you can say the mother can abort their child in proper physician guidelines, or you can say by proper maintaining the MTP Act rule. Okay, so that kind of pregnancy only the particular couple can abort. Okay, or mother can abort. Otherwise that all kind of pregnancy or mother want to abort, or couple want to abort, that not the rule apply here. Okay, only the condition, the specificity, whatever the mentioned in the MTP rule, okay, or MTP Act, that only if applicable, or that only if the applies there, then only the pregnancy can stop there, or pregnancy can terminate there. Otherwise the pregnancy should be continue. Okay, so there number of cases are there where the unlawfully miscarriage are there, unlawful expulsion of the product of conception, or you can say the unlawful or illegal abortion are there, that is called as a miscarriage also. Okay, the voluntary miscarriage or criminal abortion is not mentioned in our MTP Act. Okay, the criminal abortion is particularly have a punished also. Okay, if particular female criminally abort their child, or she aborting their child, okay, by criminally, by without knowing, or without mentioning, or without, you can say, informing to government hospitals वगैरह. ओके, तो क्रिमिनल अबॉर्शन विद द कंसेंट ऑफ द वुमेन, अगर कोई फैमिली वगैरह करती है तो सेक्शन 312 ऑफ IPC. ओके, शी विल बी पनिशेबल, और रिलेटिव विल बी पनिशेबल. ओके, और विदाउट द कंसेंट ऑफ द वुमेन, then as per the section 313 of IPC, she will be punishable and the relative will also punishable. Okay, and death of the patient, if that particular criminal abortion is continue, and suppose if by suppose unfortunately female get die, okay, then that kind of punishment is mentioned in our 314 of IPC. Okay, 314 of IPC. So the number of section are there where the number of punishment, or you can say variety of punishment are mentioned. So that is about our criminal abortion. But if you're talking about the MTP Act 1971, that ultimately helpful in the terminating of the pregnancy legally. Okay, not illegally, that is of legally. Okay, so an act to provide for the termination of certain pregnancy by registered medical practitioners only. Okay, legislated by the Parliament on August 10th 1971. Okay, 10 अगस्त 1971 में पर्टिकुलरली MTP एक्ट ये लेजिस्लेट हुआ, या फिर लॉन्च हुआ आप बोल सकते हो. एक्ट इन फोर्स नेशन वाइड फ्रॉम द अप्रैल 1st 1972 and adopted by Kashmir and Mizoram in 1980. The specificity of MTP Act is nothing but the indication of a legal abortion, or you can say the condition or the particular situation when a couple, or when a female or a government has particularly obeying this kind of termination. Okay, so when can do the MTP if the continuation of pregnancy is a risk to the life of pregnant woman, then the female or the particular authority, the government authority, the hospital, or you can say government approved to this kind of particular pregnancy to abort. Okay, if continuation of pregnancy is at a risk to the life of pregnant woman, pregnancy caused by rape. Okay, if a child has physical or mental retardation after delivery, if the child is mental or physically get retarded, or it will be retarded, then there are number of diagnostic techniques are there. Okay, amniocentesis are there, Coriono-Villus sampling are there. Okay, there are number of way by which we can assess the growth of the fetus, or having any abnormalities, or having any chromosomal disorder or not. Okay, so by rule out this kind of condition. Okay, if suppose any severe congenital abnormalities or any congenital disorders, you can say. And if we know ki after delivery the child will not be live, or you can say a perinatal mortality will be happen, or after the delivery child will be immediately die, then these kind of if we know prior to the delivery, then the child can legally can we can adopt, or we can easily abort it. Okay, if child has physical or mental retardation, failure of any contraceptive in married women, okay, they are living happily married life by using their certain contraceptives like condoms. Okay, there are number of physical barriers, there are number of chemical barriers as well. Okay, आईयूडी वगैरह लगाया था लेकिन फेल हो गया. ओके, इंट्रायूट्राइन डिवाइसेस वगैरह फीमेल ने लगाई थी, लेकिन इज सपोर्ट्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली और द फेलर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव दैट अल्टीमेटली the result in the formation of ectopic pregnancy or particular kind of pregnancy, then that women have particularly that kind of women have legally abort their child. Okay, can legally abort their child. Failure of contraceptive in married women, there are number of rubber, you are know very well कि पाइलोन जो हमारे पोलीविनाइल जो क्लोराइड वगैरह रहते हैं उनसे ही हमारा कंडोम वगैरह बना हुआ रहता है. तो इफ़ सपोज अनफॉर्चुनेट रप्चर हो जाता है तो देयर में चांसेस कि जो ओवुलेशन जो हुआ रहता है फीमेल में उसके साथ फर्टिलाइजेशन हो सकता है स्पर्म का. तो मेल कंडोम रप्चर वगैरह हो जाता है तो ड्यू टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रेगनेंसी हैज़ रिकर्ड, एंड इफ अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट रप्चर इज देयर, female a couple are using the contraceptive and suppose unfortunately the failure of contraceptive are there and pregnancy has occurred, then that kind of pregnancy can abort the female. Okay, so there are number of indication I have discussed here. So if continuation of pregnancy is a risk of life of pregnant women, pregnancy caused by rape, if a child has physical and mental retardation, the pregnancy, if suppose a pregnancy caused by sexual assault. Okay, failure of contraceptive in married women, who can terminate it? A registered medical practitioner only can terminate it, whose name is registered in a state medical registers. Okay, that should be there, state medical register. Wherever that medical registered practitioner is working, that should their name should be in state medical register. Okay, otherwise the person or the physician can't abort the child. Okay, who has training the experience as per the as our MTP rule, who has training experience how to abort the child and when to abort the child, what is the counseling should be given to the parents or should be given to the couple. Okay, if this kind of experience the physician have, then only the physician can abort the child, otherwise not. Okay, so who can terminate? A registered medical practitioner with having training experience in MTP or MTP rule, or who knows the MTP rule. Okay, whose name is registered in the state medical register. Okay, the places where this abortion can done, the hospitals established or the government hospitals. Okay, authority of government. Okay, the maintenance, whatever the hospital are there, if they maintained by government or government authority are there, that kind of hospital can abort this kind of abortion. Okay, the places approved by for MTP by government. Okay, then consent, it should be there. Okay, whenever a female are coming, and if we are know कि this kind of children में this kind of abnormalities are there and it should be abort, but if suppose female is not ready to abort the child, then we can't do that. Okay, because the consent should be given or consent should be obtained by a woman. Okay, or obtained by mother. Okay, because only the consent of the woman is required. In less than 18 age of woman or mentally ill patient, the consent of guardian is required. Okay, without the consent we can't proceed for the abortion. Okay, the consent is required. Without consultation we can't move further or we can't process the abortion. Okay, the violation of act, the physician is not a RMP or registered medical practitioner and are doing the kind of MTP or are doing this kind of condition. Okay, their number of babas are there or their number of coex are there. Okay, they are doing this kind of activities. Okay, unknowingly they are doing this kind of activity. They have number of method to abort the child. So if दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी अगर पुलिस में केस जाता है या फिर वो पर्टिकुलर कहीं भी वो पर्टिकुलर केस अगर जाता है तो द पर्सन विल बी पनिशेबल. ओके, अंडर द MTP रूल 1971. ओके, तो इफ फिजिशियन इज नॉट अ RMP एंड बट डूइंग द MTP, imprisonment for 2 to 7 years, he or she will be punishable who are doing this kind of MTP. Okay, if place where MTP is not done but not approved. Okay, if place where MTP is done and that is not approved by our government, okay, the imprisonment for again 2 to 7 years that can be there. Okay, so place or the person who will not this kind of, who will not obey this kind of rules or MTP rule, they will be punishable under our MTP Act 1971. So here we have discussed the MTP rule. What is the MTP Act? The medical termination of pregnancy, their indication, or you can say who can terminate it, place or consent. Okay, that should be must. The criteria for the MTP rule or the guideline, or you can say the rule or their particular violation. Okay, that is also mentioned here. So that is about our MTP Act 1971.